The question is, should you buy over-the-counter hearing aids? Hi everyone, I'm Matt Murphy, retired audiologist and founder of Ear Hero. Today we're talking about over-the-counter hearing aids, who they're good for, who should avoid them, and whether they're actually worth the money. So let's break it down. What are OTC or over-the-counter hearing aids? OTC devices are designed for adults with mild to moderate hearing loss. They're self-fit, lower cost, and you don't need a clinic appointment. They may be perfect for people who say things like, I hear fine, just not in restaurants, I need a little boost for the TV, or I'm not ready for expensive prescription devices yet. What OTC hearing aids are not, they are not a replacement for professionally fitted hearing aids for moderate to severe loss. They cannot fix long-term standing speech clarity problems or hidden medical issues. If you struggle to understand people even in quiet settings, OTC probably won't solve the problem. Think about it like comparing a calculator and a computer. The calculator is really good at one thing, the computer can do many things. So they may make you hear better, but maybe not clearer. The good part is OTC hearing aids are affordable, accessible, and great for first-time users. They're a low-risk entry into hearing technology. Some models even have some noise reduction and Bluetooth streaming. The limitations are they're self-fitting, it means you're the provider, no professional fitting, no real ear verification, and if you choose the wrong style or settings, you may blame the device on the setup. So who should absolutely avoid over-the-counter hearing aids? If you have any of these, asymmetrical hearing, sudden loss, tinnitus in one ear, ear fullness or pain, history of ear surgery, you need a full hearing evaluation before buying anything. So my final verdict is OTC hearing aids can be fantastic for the right person, but disappointing for the wrong one. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to see my other videos.